Hey, hey, it's Berta Jay, and you're back in my kitchen with me today to do a very simple meal. We're gonna start with potatoes. And I've been doing this for a while, but I thought I'm gonna share this with the troopers. Very, very easy. You take your favorite potato. This works with any potato that you like. I am using the golden potatoes, the Yukon Gold, and the red. Why am I using two kinds? I hear you out there saying it, because Berta, you're a mixologist. I have to mix them up. The thing you want to do after you have washed these, leave the skin on, do not peel them. Wash them really good, bring it to your cutting board, and you're going to cut them. I made this little piece of paper so you could see it. I was going to show it to you on my ruler, but you want to do them about 1/4 of an inch. From here to here is an inch. This is a 1/2 inch. That's 1/4 of an inch. 1/2 inch kind of thick, but you want to do 1/4 of an inch. Okay, so that's how thick you want to make it. 1/4 of an inch. Well, first let me do the 1/4 of an inch. Cut it down. If you have a flaw, something you don't want to eat, just cut it in like that and like that and get the flaw out. All right, and then you can put it in your water. Now, I'm going to put these to the side because I've already soaked these, and you're probably wondering, why are you soaking potatoes, Berta? Well, I'm going to mush them up so you can see. Just stir them up a little bit. You see how I put them in this glass so you can see how milky the water gets? Because potatoes are a starch. And if you soak it so that the starch comes out, I don't know, they taste a little better. And if you have any leftovers, I don't know if you've ever tasted potatoes that haven't been soaked, but they have kind of like an old taste. But if you soak them first, then you won't get that old taste. And so that's why I soak them all the time. Do you wonder why this rag is under here? One of my viewers' voices. Go look at it. It'll help you. What we're going to do now is put it, oh, forgot to tell you, preheat your oven to 375. You're going to take each one out. Because they're nice and wet, we're putting on vegan chicken seasoning. But you can use your favorite. If you've got some mixes of different spices and herbs that you would like to use those. This is the thing I do. You're going to take some of the vegan chicken seasoning, put it on because it's wet, turn it over. So now you're going to have nothing on the side that's up. Put it down. Okay, they're all on here. So now this side is plain. So you want them to have nice flavor on both sides. So you take a little bit of chicken seasoning, also on the side that's facing upward, so it has flavor too. Even on the one that's the end. There you go. Okay, that's the end. What you do afterwards is you put it in I'm just using my toaster oven. We're going to do 25 minutes at 375, okay? And then they'll be done. Don't turn them over or anything. Okay, 25 minutes are up, and this is what they look like. Sort of crispy and delicious. And if you put it on your plate with a wee bit of salad, they will be amazing. I like the ends because they're chewy, so I'm going to put some on the end. You know what I'm going to call this? This is a Berta Jay meal because we did the potatoes together. The salad came from, if you look at putting together a salad in seconds, that's how I did this, taking things out of my little containers, and I made this. I really like this. And I didn't have any garlic balsamic, because I used it all. But this one is very good too. And I'm going to put it on here. This is my Caesar dressing. Another video. So I'm going to put a little bit on here. The only thing I haven't done, And I know you're saying, Berta, you haven't tasted those potatoes. So now here I go. I'm tasting these potatoes. A little chewy on the outside, but the inside is nice and soft. And you know that chicken seasoning really gives it a lovely taste. So be sure to give these a try. And when you do, leave me a comment below.
Wait, what happened to the cheese sauce?
Oh, you can eat these plain, but there's a little secret that I like to put on. This is the Berta Jay cheese sauce, also on my channel. And I made some fresh this morning. And what you're gonna do is drizzle some of that on. So I tasted plain. Gosh, I love that stuff. And I'm gonna taste it with a little cheese sauce. We both know it's good if you've ever tried my cheese sauce. And if you haven't, you should. Okay? They're already seasoned, but the cheese sauce just brings it up a little bit higher. And I know you're gonna eat it all. It's delicious. So, you've got Berta Jay sliced potatoes with vegan chicken seasoning, roasted with a simple salad and Berta's Caesar dressing. All delicious, makes a wonderful meal. You can enjoy it. Don't forget to click on the bell. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. We're still loading things into the Amazon store, so we don't have a lot of things right now. But go check it out and see. There might be some things there that you want to buy. Okay? So until next time, troopers. Bye for now.